We're going to show you how to install USB into your center console. This is useful if you're upgrading your head unit or upgrading how you can charge your devices. The prerequisite is a removed center console. See the full video on my channel for step-by-step instructions. Installing USB. For installing USB, a popular option is installing the ports into the passenger footwell, shown here. I went a bit against the grain and sacrificed the center console compartment's 12-volt plug for ease of use and because my 12-volt plug was already sacrificed. I had the aux kit built into my Boxster before the new head unit, and the aux kit covers this 12-volt plug, so I was already living with two 12-volt plugs, one near the emergency brake and the other in the passenger footwell instead of three. Installing the USB ports was easy thanks to this extension kit, which puts USB in any 12-volt hole. The old socket comes out with the help of this mallet, and the extension kit has a plastic nut that holds it in place. It's not a perfect fit because the socket is rounded, but you can't really tell unless you examine it very closely, and I accepted that trade-off for utility, since the car will look stock when the compartment is closed anyway. Now that our car is wired for USB, take our two head unit USB connectors, route the USB cables down through that hole in the middle here, reaching around and pulling them through. And we have plenty of slack to spare for the head unit. We have to leave the USBs in an accessible area, so I'm going to leave the connections in the bottom right. These plugs are basically a one-way connection, very painful to remove from the head unit, so we'll just tuck them away. And congratulations, you now have USB, your 987.